Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. This is Sally, and it's certainly been a minute since we've done a video, but we're slowly coming back, so let's go. So it's been about 5 months, actually getting closer to 6 months since we did a video. Sally and I, we decided to take a little social media break. It was much needed and overdue. We had gone pretty hard for the last couple of years, and we decided it was time for a break, and we enjoyed the summer, had a nice vacation, and now we're going to slowly come back. In today's video, we are actually on our way to Cayuga, aka Toronto Motorsports Park, and we're gonna do some father versus son action. I'm going down in our Audi RS3. Marcus is right behind us in his Golf R, and should be a fun time. Last year, we went last year, but the Audi, the RS3 wasn't cooperating. I was having issues with the launch controller, and the car didn't do so great. Ran a best of 12:30, but since then we've done quite a few changes to the car, so I'm curious what it's gonna run. And Marcus last year, his best was 11.8, but I think he's done an 11.6 at Grand Bend this year, so he's looking to best that. And of course, I want to go quicker than 12:30. So that said, we're gonna go for we're heading down there, and when we get there, we'll check back in with you guys. Alright guys, so I did an update when I got here. There was nobody here, so we quickly jumped in line, but Marcus and I just did our first pass, and I was sleeping on the tree. He treed the shit out of me, but I reeled him back in. So he ended up going 11.5, and I went 10.90. So happy with that, but I got to do a better run. Right, round 2, second pass. Me and Marcus are gonna go again. Let's see if I can do a little bit better out of the hole this time. I was really sleeping hard. I think I was more focused on if the launch control was gonna work, but whatever, it worked. And yeah, so 10.90 for first pass, but I did wheel 128 mile an hour, so I should be able to go a few tenths quicker. So let's see.
Let's go, father and son.
So quick little update. My second run, I spun a little bit. Marcus went a little quicker, 11.5, 1.660, which is awesome. I spun, I went 11.1.
Oh, he's back.
11.4. Oh, he's gonna be happy.
He just turned 20 on the 7th of September. Nice.
Now ran a 10.88 at 128, so super happy with that. Maybe one more pass. I don't know. Well, we'll see. Morning, everyone. We got in super late last night, but I want to give you just a quick recap of last night. Really nice. Marcus ended up getting 4 runs in. I got 3 runs in, and some of our friends got a couple of runs in as well. So it was awesome. Marcus, he was on fire. He ran a personal best of 11.4 and with a 1.660, and that's pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive considering it's a slammed Golf R on street tires in the 500s. He was pretty quick out of the hole. He certainly put me to sleep. I was rusty, but he put me to sleep on our first pass. But we both did well. We both hit some personal bests. So our first pass off the, I was going to say our first pass off the trailer, but our first pass together, father versus son. He ran 11.58. I was asleep. I was super rusty, and he killed me off the light. But so he ran 11.58 there at 117, and he had a 1.76 there. and I ended up running a 1096 at 128 and also a 1760 foot. So that was our first pass. That was already a personal best for him and for I, so that was cool. That was personal best number 1. We then lined it up again, father versus son, which was fun. Our second pass together, it was another fun pass. I spun, but we came out together, so my reaction time was better. We came out together, but you know, he nipped off a 1.6 on that 60 foot, so he pulled on me right away out of the hole. I was a 1.77 there, and I spun as well big time, so I went a little bit slower at 11.1, and I think, did he speed up? Yeah, no, he went technically a pinch slower at 11.55, 118 mile an hour, and I was 11.1 at 126.64. I'm just obviously reading off the time slips. And then that was it. We did two passes together, and then I had a pretty good cool down, and ended up just, you know, not really racing the guy on the other side, and just kind of focusing on my launch. So this was my best pass of the night. Crappy 60 foot again, 176. I'm also on Indy 500, so I'm spinning. I gotta get better tires, but I ended up running a 10.8, which was awesome at 128 mile an hour. Another personal best for me at 10.8. And then Marcus ran his third run against, I think it was an Audi S5 or something like that. Or anyways, it was his personal best, and he ended up cracking. I don't have his slips in front of me, but that was an 11.4. He got into the 11.4s with even a quicker, a little bit quicker at a 1.6, a low 1.6, 60 foot. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it's been a while. Hope you enjoyed the video. We you know, we certainly had a great time, and we'll see you again here on Paul DaFox.